Hi tutoring classmates, my name is Javier Alexander Beltran and this is my video about the activity. I live in Caracas, and this is my ninth semester of Bachelor in Teaching English as a Foreign Language. And this is the moment I working in the kitchen at the school. I have obtained my English level because I like to listen to music for in a practice with any teacher, although I don't have a very good level English. Really, this language opened the door to the level field in English. This is the language most used in the world, and that is why we look for methodologies and strategies how to be the most effective in the strategies of improved English. I would like is that we try to communicate all our ideas in the language. So the structures and the grammar is not very good, but this is a very good exercise to learn. The goal is to look for the way to reach the student and how common knowledge so the lesson and learning meaningful and relevant to them. Students are encouraged to think carefully and critically and express their thoughts and use the different learning methods taking into account climate and about the students' attitude without forgetting the order and discipline. For example, if it is a difficult issue, it can be illustrated with how visual aids, diagram boards helps in his explanation to you. These these are some of characteristics. The ability to make the material sound simultaneous and interesting, and using teaching methods in academic tasks that require the students to learn activity, response, and cooperative will always improve. The teacher changed the study methodology, and that means we have more interest in allowing communication skills to archive a better way to group activity to the choose them such as dynamic different types of games. We have to cook, field trip, study we had a garden, and learning more vocabulary. This allows us to have more significant interest to continue doing the activity that have some better benefits. This is something that we must focus to see to approach in teaching as a student is a feature teacher can use and get better benefits and is using web tools as a means of participation and video and peers, develop listening skill and reading comprehension, develop taking skill on foreign language production, and help to have the confidence to speak correct, increase the age of kids to understand the whole skill. These tools are very valuable and saving is very important at the time to have a meaningful learning. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.